Welcome back to my channel Dr. SP. Today we are going to talk about stomach. Morphologically, stomach has fundus, cardiac, body, pyloric antrum, pyloric canal. It has two curvatures, greater curvature, lesser curvature. And it also has two notches, cardiac notch, angular notch. Layers of the stomach. It has four layers. Serous layer, which is the outermost one. Muscular layer. It is arranged in three layers from external to internal. The external layer is made up of longitudinal fibers. Middle layer is made up of circular fibers. Internal layer is made up of oblique fibers. So these three layers contributes to muscular layer. And the third one is submucous layer, and the fourth one is mucous layer, which is the innermost layer of the stomach. This is the lining of the stomach. Holotopy. Stomach is located in the left hypochondriac and proper epigastric region. Skeletopy. The cardiac part of the stomach is located at the level of T10 or T11. Fundus part is located at the level of T11. Greater curvature of the stomach is located above the costal arch, and pyloric part is located at the level of T12 to L1. Pyloric part is located at the level of T12 to L1. Syntopy. Stomach is bounded anteriorly by pregastric fossa, posteriorly by left kidney, adrenal gland and pancreas, superiorly by liver, esophagus and diaphragm, and inferiorly by transverse colon, medially by liver, duodenum, gallbladder, aorta, inferior vena cava and portal triad, laterally by spleen. Arterial supply. Stomach is supplied by left gastric artery, right gastric artery, left gastroepiploic artery, right gastroepiploic artery, short gastric arteries. Venous drainage. Stomach is drained by right and left gastric veins, right and left gastroepiploic veins, right and left gastric veins, and right and left gastroepiploic veins drains into portal vein. And veins of cardiac part of stomach is drained by esophageal plexus. Lymphatic drainage. Paraorganic lymph nodes that runs along the gastric and gastroepiploic arteries, and the lymph nodes runs along the splenic artery and common hepatic artery. It also accesses drainage to other organs such as the spleen and liver in the hilus of these organs, and it also drained by celiac lymph nodes. Nerve supply. The sympathetic supply of stomach is supplied by spinal nerves from T6 to T9, parasympathetic by vagus nerve. Afferent supplies are phrenic nerve, hepatic and celiac plexus, thoracic and lumbar spinal nerves, anterior trunk of vagus nerve, greater and lesser splanchnic nerves. Ligaments of the stomach. It has two groups, superficial group and deep group. Superficial group has hepatoduodenal ligament, hepatogastric, pheniogastric, gastrolineal, gastrocolic, and deep group has gastropancreatic and pylopancreatic ligaments. Functions. Stomach acts as a reservoir for food. It also processes the ingested food into chyme. Mucus production by mucosnic cells and surface lining cells. Hydrochloric acid production and gastric intrinsic factor by parietal cells. Production of pepsinogen renin gastric lipase by chief cells. Production of hormones such as gastrin and glycine by diffuse neuroendocrine system DNES cells. Okay, that's it for today. I hope this video is helpful for everyone out there. Thank you. And I wish everyone a very happy Pongal. இனிய பொங்கல் திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.